Good morning, middle school. This morning I've chosen a poem to share, and my choice is slightly ironic because, girls, if you're signing on to email right now, you are signing in to attendance and you are present for the day. This poem is called What You Missed That Day You Were Absent from fourth grade. But I chose it because it talks about the values that a teacher can impart in her class or his class. And our values at Laurel are still very much in play. We continue to offer courage and compassion and ethics and creativity through the school at home classes. I should mention too that this poem, published in 2016 by Brad Aaron Modlin, includes a reference to cigarettes, which are disgusting as well as dangerous, like their more newfangled cousin, vaping. But I enjoyed the other topics so much in this poem that I offer it to you. What You Missed That Day You Were Absent from Fourth Grade by Brad Aaron Modlin. Mrs. Nelson explained how to stand still and listen to the wind, how to find meaning in pumping gas, how peeling potatoes can be a form of prayer. She took questions on how not to feel lost in the dark. After lunch, she distributed worksheets that covered ways to remember your grandfather's voice. Then the class discussed falling asleep without feeling you had forgotten to do something else, something important, and how to believe the house you wake in is your home. This prompted Mrs. Nelson to draw a chalkboard diagram detailing how to chant the Psalms during cigarette breaks and how not to squirm for sound when your own thoughts are all you hear. Also, that you have enough. The English lesson was that I am is a complete sentence. And just before the afternoon bell, she made the math equation look easy, the one that proves that hundreds of questions and feeling cold and all those nights spent looking for whatever it was you lost and one person add up to something.